Brings up Contreras, who's 0-for-3 in the game. A couple of strikeouts against Abbott. Fly ball, deep left center field. It is gone!
Behind you. Got it middle. To the Reds' only run, a chance to be the hero.